Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the audio warning for the railroad crossing function in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the warnings button, and then click on the alert points button. And once you enabled the alert point warnings section, you can click on the alert types button and click on the railroad crossing button. And if the warning type is set to audio and visual, you will have access to the audio warning section, so just click on that. And as you can see, there are two options to choose from, so just set the one that you want to use, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.